Far beyond our planet's atmosphere, where light travels unimpeded across vast distances, the universe is constantly in motion. It's a place where violent events, unimaginable forces, and hidden phenomena occur every second, releasing energy so immense that it warps the very fabric of space and time. Among these cosmic events, one phenomenon stands out: cosmic rays. Tiny particles, racing through the cosmos at nearly the speed of light, carrying the imprint of some of the most extreme processes in the universe. And yet, in the very essence of their journey lies a mystery that has puzzled scientists for decades. For cosmic rays, though invisible to the naked eye, leave their mark on Earth, creating cascades of secondary particles when they collide with our atmosphere. But it's not the ordinary cosmic rays that are making the headlines today. No, it's a discovery that has stunned the astrophysical community: the most powerful cosmic rays ever detected. These rays are like messages from the deepest corners of the universe. They hold secrets to processes and events so far beyond our current understanding that their existence may rewrite the way we think about the cosmos. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles, mostly protons, that shoot through space, often originating from explosive and violent events like supernovae, the catastrophic deaths of massive stars, or even from the energetic zones surrounding supermassive black holes. These particles carry immense amounts of energy, and when they collide with the atoms in Earth's atmosphere, they trigger a chain reaction that results in the creation of secondary particles. These secondary particles, in turn, can be detected by advanced observatories on Earth, revealing the invisible paths of these cosmic messengers. Most cosmic rays are relatively low-energy particles, but occasionally, a cosmic ray emerges that defies our expectations. These rare outliers are known as ultra-high-energy cosmic rays, UHECRs, and they possess energies that far surpass anything we can replicate here on Earth, even with the world's most powerful particle accelerators. But what makes these ultra-high-energy cosmic rays so extraordinary? They carry energies that are so intense, so mind-boggling, that they challenge our very understanding of physics. They are not just any particles. They are the energetic titans of the cosmos, their origins hidden in the deepest, most extreme regions of space. And when they reach Earth, they prompt a question that scientists are still struggling to answer. Where do they come from? In 2019, scientists working with the Pierre Auger Observatory, an enormous particle detector located in the foothills of the Andes in Argentina, made a groundbreaking discovery. They detected a cosmic ray with an energy of 8 times 10 to the power of 20 electron volts. That's 100 million times more powerful than the particles accelerated by the world's largest particle accelerators, like the Large Hadron Collider. This is not just a powerful cosmic ray. It's an energy bomb that carries a message from the most distant, energetic corners of the universe. The energy carried by this ray is so high that it pushes the boundaries of known physics, leaving scientists to wonder if their current models of particle physics are even adequate to describe these phenomena. To put it simply, these cosmic rays are beyond what we thought was possible. They transcend our understanding of the universe itself. The discovery of these ultra-high-energy cosmic rays has profound implications for astrophysics. These particles are more than just messengers. They are clues, fragments of evidence pointing to the most extreme and energetic phenomena in the cosmos. Their existence forces us to confront the fact that the universe is likely filled with processes far more powerful than we've ever imagined. To understand why this matters, we need to grasp the scale of these rays. In particle accelerators, like those at CERN, Scientists smash particles together at high energies to study the fundamental forces of nature. Yet, even these experiments pale in comparison to the energy of these cosmic rays. How can such energy be generated? And more importantly, how does it travel across the vast expanse of space, with no known friction or resistance to slow it down? The scale and power of these rays beg the question, what kind of cosmic event could produce such forces? From the violent explosions of supernovae to the energetic jets launched by supermassive black holes, these ultra-high-energy cosmic rays could be generated by some of the most extreme phenomena the universe has to offer. But this discovery has scientists scratching their heads because, unlike lower-energy cosmic rays that we can link to certain cosmic events, these rays seem to defy our expectations. The current models we have are no longer enough to explain their origin. One of the most puzzling aspects of these newly discovered ultra-high-energy rays is that their sources are still a mystery. You might expect them to come from well-known sources, like the remnants of exploded stars or the powerful black holes at the centers of galaxies. But, instead, these cosmic rays appear to come from directions in the sky where no obvious source can be pinpointed. It's as though they are arriving from deep, unexplored regions of space that we can't yet see. Some theories suggest that these high-energy rays may originate from exotic, unknown sources that are yet to be discovered. Perhaps they come from the collision of galaxies, or even from events involving dark matter, a mysterious substance that we know exists in the universe but have never directly detected. The very fact that these cosmic rays don't seem to match known sources means that we may be on the brink of discovering new, previously unimagined astrophysical phenomena. The search for the origin of these ultra-high-energy cosmic rays is a daunting task. The Earth-based detectors like the Pierre Auger Observatory and the IceCube Neutrino Observatory work tirelessly, tracking these particles as they descend from the cosmos. Yet, because cosmic rays are so energetic, they lose much of their original power by the time they reach Earth, making it incredibly difficult to trace their path back to their source. Despite these challenges, scientists are making progress. They are looking for patterns in the data, searching for clues that could unlock the identity of these mysterious sources. By studying the interaction of these rays with the atmosphere and using sophisticated computational models, they hope to pinpoint where in the universe these particles are born. But these rays are also pushing the limits of particle physics, forcing us to think about how nature works at the most fundamental level. Could the discovery of these cosmic rays be the key to understanding new forces, particles, or dimensions that we have yet to encounter? These cosmic rays are not just the most powerful particles we've detected, they are signals. Signals that remind us of the incredible scale of the universe and of how much remains beyond our understanding. As we study these particles, we are not merely observing them. We are witnessing the unveiling of cosmic secrets that could change the course of astrophysics forever. They may be more than just energy. They are a key to unlocking the deepest mysteries of the universe. From exploring the farthest reaches of space to understanding the most fundamental forces of nature, these particles are telling us a story that is still unfolding. And in this quest for knowledge, each discovery, no matter how small, brings us closer to understanding the incredible forces that shape our universe. The most powerful cosmic rays are a reminder that, in the grand tapestry of the cosmos, we are just beginning to understand the true scale of what lies out there. Every discovery brings new questions and opens new doors, leading us into the depths of space, and perhaps into a new era of understanding that will one day change how we see everything. from the particles we can barely detect to the stars and galaxies we'll never touch.